Okay, welcome back to the class of me trying to explain to you how to get the AI ChatGPT to make you an app without you coding anything or even creating files. Yeah, all you gotta do is create one folder to keep all the files in. That's it. ChatGPT, especially the O1, but I created a master coder GPT in order to do some extra things for me. I don't have to write it out every single time. Will basically go and define the entire app. You give it the idea. So make me an app like Blender. It's a 3D modeling program. Now this one was too complicated, so it still couldn't really do it yet, but it's much better for smaller ideas. You gotta get it to write out the entire file system. As you see, we have the entire file system. Now last time I did this, I spent an hour going and copying each one and pasting it and saving it into each file, and it was super complex. And so I decided to tell the AI, hey, ChatGPT, what if you just created the prompts for me? And so if we keep on scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scroll, here we go, PowerShell script. Now this is the key to everything, okay? I know I've used this before, but I did not realize the potential of these PowerShell scripts, okay? What you got to do, this is what you want to do, is say, I don't want to touch the code. I want you to do everything for me. All I want to do is you create PowerShell scripts. I open up the terminal or PowerShell, and this is VS Code, and I just copy, I paste it, I run it, it creates all the folders, all the files that I need, and it actually will write the code into the files for me. Okay, this is a very key and important part. It will actually, you see this? It'll actually write, I can't scroll in here. It will write the code for me. It'll create the different files. It'll actually fill out those files with the proper code. This is actually C++, if I'm not mistaken. So it looks a little bit different than the average JavaScript code that you might be used to. But you see here set sources and things like that. It's CPP. Anyways, so that's what you want to do. And you see what I'm saying? It will understand it better. Because, why? Well, if you start doing things and changing things, it will not know the things that you changed. So even if you want to change a line in the code, you ask the AI, ChatGPT, or any AI will do this, any LLM, you give me another PowerShell script, which I've done, or you'll see I've done more and more and more. This is little changes. You do it so that it knows all the changes done. This really is the way. Super cool.